Would you like to have a lot of containers like this? Storage units to put your screws in, nails, miscellaneous bits of hardware, to keep them in your tool chest or something like that? You can buy these large cases that come with a bunch of bins, but they're not cheap. Even this one that I bought from Harbor Freight was $10 on sale. So, if you want a lot of these, like dozens or hundreds, that's going to cost you. I've got an alternative. We take one of these and cut it down so that we use the bottom half as a bin. And it's totally free. Watch, and I'll show you. First, we're going to cut off the label. Make sure that you wash out the bottle before you begin. Next, I usually cut right at this mark in the center. Choose a height that works for your intended use. Make sure that you're using a sharp knife and keep your fingers out of the way if it slips. Razor blades are cheap and a sharper knife is safer. Now I'm just trimming off the little bit where the cuts didn't quite meet cleanly. Done. Now let me show you some of these bins in use. Here's the drawer I've already filled. All these bins in here, all sorts of miscellaneous parts that I can keep organized in one tool chest drawer. I've made enough of these that I'm starting another drawer. If you have larger containers that are roughly rectangular, you can make even more bins. Some of these don't even have to be cut down if you don't want to.